Hi, my name is Rachel Williams, and I completed an internship at Nordstrom Rack. I was hired in the handbags and accessories department, and day to day I was setting up displays for tables, or I was working in the shoes department and filling truck or setting up end cap displays there. I heard about this internship on Indeed and did an in-person interview. I really enjoyed being able to do handbag displays. I think it was really fun and it allowed me to be creative. I kind of learned a lot about retail because I hadn't worked in it before, and I learned about how things are supposed to be set up and how there's an order to everything. I think my advice for a future intern is to just push yourself every day and see how you can grow and just challenge yourself to stay busy.